In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneNote to Notion. We're going to use Zapier to automate the handoff, so whenever something new appears in OneNote, it shows up in Notion without you lifting a finger. If you are new to Zapier, think of it as the glue that connects your apps using a trigger and an action. Something happens in one app, and Zapier does something in another. Start by logging into Zapier and selecting Create. Then Zap. This opens a blank workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Something like OneNote to Notion sync works well. On the left, set your trigger. Search for OneNote and choose a trigger event, such as new page in section. This means that each time a new page is added to a specific OneNote section, the Zap will run. Pick the section you actually use for notes you want to track, so you don't flood Notion with drafts or personal pages you don't need there. Zapier will prompt you to authenticate your Microsoft account. Sign in and grant access so it can read your notebooks and sections. If you have multiple OneNote accounts or work and personal profiles, double-check you are connecting the right one. After connecting, confirm the notebook and section, and let Zapier pull a recent sample so you can see the data it detects. Next, set the action. Search for Notion and choose what should happen. Like create database item if you want each note to land in a database, or create page if you prefer standalone pages. Connect your Notion account and pick the correct workspace. If you are using a database, select it and make sure the integration has permission to access it inside Notion. Now map your fields. Match the OneNote page title to Notion's title property. Send the content or body of the note to a rich text or text property. Map the created date to a date property. Property types need to align. Dates must go into a date field, text into text, and so on. If you keep track of sources, you might map the OneNote page URL to a URL property for quick reference. Keep your mapping simple first. You can refine them as you see how data arrives. Before going live, click Test Trigger to pull in a sample. Then run a test action to Notion to make sure everything lands where you expect. If it looks good, hit Publish to turn the Zap on. From now on, new OneNote pages in your chosen section will automatically appear in Notion, keeping your notes organized across tools. Thanks for watching.